Hello everybody, it's Jamie here, and today we are going to be making Huevos al Albañil, otherwise known as Bricklayer's eggs. For this spicy scrambled egg breakfast, you'll need 4 tomatoes with the pith removed, 1/4 of an onion, 1 garlic clove, 3 chillies of your choice, and a small amount of a sweet red pepper. You'll also need 2 to 3 eggs per person. In a dry pan and on a high heat, you'll need to place your tomatoes, onion, chillies, sweet red pepper, and garlic clove until the skins begin to blister. Whilst those are cooking, season your eggs and beat. Once your vegetables start to blister, turn them over. Once blistered on all sides, place into a blender. Please, for the love of God, do peel the skin away from your garlic clove before you place that into the blender. And guess what? Yep, you've got a blend. Put some oil into a hot pan and pour in your eggs. Then agitate. Yeah, I've always wanted to say that word. Okay, I know this part will seem odd to UK residents, but you're going to pour that salsa into your eggs. Then you're going to mix it well. Trust me, it's delicious. I'm going to serve these scrambled eggs with some flour tortillas just warmed through in a pan. And time to plate up, first of all, the tortillas. Then your huevos al albañil. Some refried beans. And a little cilantro or coriander. And there you have it, a delicious breakfast, if not perhaps a little unusual. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Blog Jamie on Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.